Tonight, the winds of change are blowing across the South China Sea. A new sound echoes from the air bases of the Philippines, spinning rotors, the sound of readiness. For decades, the armed forces of the Philippines faced modern threats with outdated equipment. But that era is ending. A quiet revolution is underway. This isn't about matching superpowers, it's about building a smart, credible, and modern defense force. The goal? Protect sovereignty and vast maritime territory. The transformation began with the steady arrival of advanced military hardware. At the heart of this change, the T-129 ATAK and AW-159 Wildcat helicopters. These aren't just machines, they're part of an integrated system designed for speed and precision. The Philippines is building a layered defense, a shield for its archipelago of over 7,600 islands. The new force must operate seamlessly from rugged mountains to blue waters. The aim? Make any potential aggressor think twice, raising the cost of hostile action. This is a pivotal moment for the Philippines. The modernization effort is born from necessity, ambition, and realism. A new chapter in Philippine defense has begun. The T-129 ATAK is the Philippines' new dedicated attack helicopter, a true hunter. Developed by Turkish aerospace industries, it's built for modern combat. Its arrival marks a leap in the Philippine Air Force's capabilities, replacing repurposed utility helicopters. The ATAK is purpose-built to find, track, and engage ground targets with lethal precision. It features a tandem cockpit, advanced sensors, and powerful engines for the Philippines' varied terrain. Its electro-optical and infrared targeting system gives it day and night vision. Armed with a 20mm cannon and precision-guided anti-tank missiles, it can destroy armored targets from a safe distance. The ATAK supports Army and Marine units, providing armed reconnaissance, convoy escort, and precise strikes. It's a force multiplier, making ground units more effective and survivable. The ATAK's presence in the skies is a game-changer for land-based conflicts. Philippine soldiers now have the support they need to prevail. While the ATAK secures the land, the AW-159 Wildcat stands guard over the sea. Produced by Leonardo, the Wildcat is the Philippine Navy's new maritime sentinel. It operates from modern frigates, extending the Navy's reach far beyond the horizon. The Wildcat's corrosion-resistant airframe and powerful engines are built for the harsh maritime environment. Its 360-degree radar scans for ships, boats, and even submarine periscopes. For anti-submarine warfare, it uses dipping sonar and sonobuoys, engaging threats with lightweight torpedoes. Against surface threats, it can launch anti-ship missiles like the Sea Venom. This over-the-horizon strike capability is a massive force multiplier. The Wildcat is the fleet's eyes, ears, and sword, networked with its ship and the wider naval force. It ensures the Philippine Navy can project power and protect maritime interests. The Wildcat is the silent hunter of the deep. The real genius of the Philippines' modernization is how the T-129 ATAK and AW-159 Wildcat work together. They're not isolated assets. They're two parts of an integrated air-sea strike system. The ATAK hunts on land. The Wildcat guards the sea. Together, they create a layered defense across the archipelago. In littoral zones, their roles overlap. The ATAK supports amphibious landings, while the Wildcat protects naval transports. The Wildcat's radar can detect threats at sea and relay data to command centers, which can then task the ATAK to intercept. This seamless handoff is the hallmark of a modern, networked military. The hunter-killer team concept gives the AFP flexibility and resilience. The ATAK provides firepower for ground commanders. The Wildcat gives naval commanders reach and protection. Working in concert, they close gaps in defense. No adversary can exploit the seams. This integrated approach is greater than the sum of its parts. It creates a credible, resilient deterrent tailored to the Philippines' unique geography. The synergy of air and sea power is the new standard. The helicopters are the muscle, but the new command and control systems are the nervous system. The AFP is investing in C4STAR, connecting helicopters, ships, ground troops, and command centers into one network. Secure data links allow real-time sharing of sensor feeds and target data. Everyone sees the same battlefield picture, enabling faster, more precise decisions. New command centers process this flood of information, creating a unified operational map. A general in Manila can track assets across the nation in real time. This network transforms the AFP into a single integrated fighting machine. The digital backbone ties the modernization effort together, making every asset more effective. Imagine a tense morning coastal radar detects unidentified fast boats speeding toward a remote island. The AFP's command center instantly sees the threat. A Navy frigate is nearby. A Wildcat helicopter launches, scanning the sea. The Wildcat confirms the boats are armed and hostile, streaming live video to commanders. The boats enter shallow waters, too risky for the frigate. Two T-129 ATAK helicopters scramble from a land base, guided by the Wildcat's data. The ATAKs arrive, firing a warning burst in front of the lead boat. Faced with overwhelming force, the hostile boats turn and flee. The incident ends without a shot fired in anger. This is credible deterrence, the ability to respond quickly and decisively, preventing conflict. The networked shield works as intended. The AFP's new capabilities change the calculus for any would-be aggressor. The Philippines can now defend its territory with confidence. Modernization isn't just about buying new helicopters. The real challenge is building the infrastructure and expertise to support them. These machines require specialized parts, tools, and a reliable supply chain across thousands of islands. Training is critical. Pilots, gunners, and maintenance crews must master complex systems and networked operations. The AFP has invested in simulators and sent personnel abroad, but building deep experience takes time. System integration is another hurdle, making equipment from different countries work together seamlessly. Skilled engineers and close cooperation with manufacturers are essential. Progress is slow but steady. New hangars, training programs, and integration teams are in place. The AFP knows this is a long-term project. Overcoming logistical, training, and technical challenges is as important as acquiring hardware. The hard work behind the scenes turns advanced equipment into a capable fighting force. The commitment to modernization is clear and unwavering. The most profound shift in the AFP is a change in mindset, from acquisition to capability. It's not just about owning hardware, but about how it's used. Joint exercises now force the Air Force and Navy to work together, building real operational harmony. These drills forge the muscle memory and relationships needed for crisis response. New doctrine is being written, integrating the ATAK, Wildcat, and networked systems. Everyone, from generals to pilots, understands their role in the bigger picture. The AFP is moving from an equipment-based to a capability-based force. What matters is deploying assets effectively to achieve strategic objectives. By focusing on joint training, networked systems, and modern doctrine, the AFP is building a cohesive, modern fighting force. The Philippines is creating a true system of systems, a harmonious orchestra of defense. The Philippines' geography is both a shield and a challenge. Thousands of islands, vast borders. The new force structure, built around the ATAK and Wildcat, is tailored to this environment. It's not about projecting power abroad, but turning the archipelago into a fortress. This layered defense controls the spaces within and between islands, providing credible deterrence. Hostile forces will face tracking by radar, hunting by frigates and Wildcats, and attack by ATAKs and ground troops. The risk for any aggressor is now unacceptably high. This is smart defense, raising the cost of aggression without provoking an arms race. The modernization brings new confidence and strategic maturity. The Philippines is no longer vulnerable. Its leaders have more options in a crisis. This isn't about seeking conflict, but having the strength to prevent it. The sound of the ATAK and Wildcat signals a new era. The Philippines is ready, secure, confident, and prepared to defend its home. A shield forged from technology, foresight, and resolve now protects the nation.